Well,
Yeah, go ahead.
I think you guys are talking about presentation other than substance, right? The substance of what he's saying is good, but the
Yeah,
presentation sucks, and that's
agreed.
what I'm talking about. And
Well,
the
it's not as bad.
presentation.
In fairness, it's not as bad as Waters
Oh no, no,
yesterday.
no! I'm not.
It's not
I'm
that
not.
bad.
I'm not saying that at all. What I'm
But
saying is
it could
that,
be better, is all I'm saying. He's not
yeah,
doing a terrible job. I just think it could be better.
but that's what I'm saying. Your complaint isn't on the substance of it at all. It's really
No, he's
about
getting the right
the way
facts
the way.
out.
Yeah, and what I think is that when you have this monotone, well, two things. Number one, I think whenever you're telling a story, you gotta structure it in a way where people can follow along. And when you have high points, people recognize your high points. And when you have low points, people just kind of ignore them. And here he's had three major high points, but he's just been saying it very monotone. Oh well, this blah blah blah. Well, what about this? What about this? There's no voice inflection. There's no difference in tone. Like for me, I'd have been screaming. Why the hell is he killed? Why would he kill? These things that matter. Why is he doing this? You know what are you talking about? There was no blood on his shirt, right? You change your voice inflection because you want to drive in that it's important. So that's one thing I think sometimes this type of lawyering doesn't expose. It doesn't expose the performance piece of lawyering because there is that performance piece, and I think he's trying to make a very technical legal argument about the burden of proof and all this stuff. But I think he's failing to understand that you have to also perform in a way to make the point stick. So hopefully he'll do this after the break. He'll make it easier to follow, and he'll be able to point to those high points in a better way.
I hope so. And it's particularly important in a trial of this ridiculous length.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's just so much information. There's so much crap that's been thrown against the wall.